vikali katika mashindano ya gofu ya KCB ya mwaka 2019. Mchuano wa msimu huu itakayoanza tarehe 25 hadi 28 mwezi huu wa Mei inatarajiwa kuwa na upinzani mkali kutokana na maandalizi kabambe yaliyoshuhudiwa. Tazama.
KCB will sponsor this year's event to the tune of 70 million, with 15 million set aside as prize money and the rest going towards the organization and promotion of this event. The tournament will run from June 26th to 30th, 2019 at the Karen Country Club, and will bring together 152 pros and 4 amateurs for 4 days of superb golf action. Of these, 100 pros will fly in from the Sunshine Tour to join up to 47 of our local and regional golf professionals. The 152 pro golfers will battle it out for the total prize kitty of 15 million and the KCB Karen Masters blue jacket. As an institution, we really do believe in this kind of thing. It's not a fad, it's not a one-off, it's something we've been doing over, as you heard, even 20 years in the field of golf. So we want to continue because we recognize this as an important part of what can even be used to drive the economy, not only in Kenya, but in the region and in Africa as well.